Hey, we're over at the secret spot by Skinwalker Ranch where my brother and myself had some pretty strange events many years ago, and we saw these footprints. And they're obviously canine footprints, but what's really interesting about them, and this is hard mud, but what's kind of interesting is they just start out of nowhere. Right here, and then just continue down. Okay, we found this on a rock. I don't know what it is. I think maybe it's just a dead bird, I guess. Kind of looks like a fish. What is it? Like, see the scales? I think it's a fish. But I mean, Bottle Hollow's a mile to the north. So maybe it carried it over here and ate it.
I don't know. Take it out.
Fuck it.
It's a fish.
Rock formations over here are just so unique. Almost prehistoric looking. Look how they almost look stacked like that. Okay, the power lines are really starting to chatter now. And then I found this hole over here, but usually they're just little overhangs. Yeah, it kind of goes the other side, but I don't know, the whole mesa's like Swiss cheese. It's just got these little holes and crevices and voids in between all the different layers, and they're constantly moving and shifting. I just want to demonstrate how unique the mesa is up here. It's there's so many layers that hide these voids everywhere, but you can see, let's see. Oh yeah, I can see your light through there. Yeah, that's a good distance. I mean, everything under this mesa's just got these pockets and voids underneath it. You just got to find the right one that leads to maybe a much deeper chamber or even a cavern. But we're just walking on a mesa, having no idea that underneath us, that whole pocket cavity underneath there exists until one of these breaks off, then it exposes them. Big bird. Shit, I can't get him. Got him. Oh my god, I did a horrible job. Every time this time of day, we always see that giant bird. How big would that be? Gunshots in the distance. Holy shit. Well, I think we found the opposite end of our fish. Just sitting out here in the middle of the desert is a fish head on top of the rock. I know we didn't plant it. Wow. Man, I would have loved to see what carried, Bottle Hollow is miles and miles, well, not miles, maybe 1.5 at the most miles that way. And out here, it's just desert. Just a head. All right, wherever we're at, obviously a large bird was here, and you got some kind of organ, or I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, that looks good. And then blood up here. That's kind of fresh too, isn't it?
There's a piece something there. That's weird.
Giant bird crab everywhere.
That thing.
Oh, that's our fish from earlier. Yeah, this. Maybe it comes back here later tonight. Yeah, big white boulder. That must be what I'm looking at.
Wet spot down there.
Oh, it is weird. Why would there be a wet spot? Oh, I'll walk down.
Just dimmed out.
What?
I like just dimmed out. You see?
Like it just lost battery? Does that happen when it gets low, or?
No. Should be fully charged. Didn't it just
I don't know. It's going to be on video if it did.
like it was bright?
Yeah.
And it just like went.
Do you have
I didn't
different
do
settings to it?
anything. I think if you tap the button, I didn't.
Yeah, well, did you accidentally, or?
Should be fully charged. It's the first time.
It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. Shiny. Yeah. Ready? Yep. Which way? Right there. Porcupine. What the fuck? It's a fucking porcupine. It's the porcupine. Every time I have shit happen out here. Okay, I gotta get it. Oh my god. That's
not-
awesome.
That's not a porcupine.
Yes, it is.
There's no quills on it.
I see him right there. I finally got him on camera. You got it right on? Here, I'm gonna zoom in. How do I always run into the porcupine? Is there anything weird about him?
Yeah, he's like yellow. Like his fur's
Yeah, the back of him's yellow.
half yellow.
Oh, look how chill he is. He's always been like super chill.
Oh, there's his squills. Yeah, he's like yellow.
Can we kind of scare him out so we can see him a little bit better? He's awesome. How has he been here the whole time? Isn't he coming out? Is he coming out?
On the other side?
Yeah. Like, he does a disappearing act. Like, I want to make sure it's not paranormal.
I don't see him anymore. I don't hear nothing.
It's the Dino-Beaver. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I mean, I could reach out and literally, like,
Leave him be.
touch him. Yeah, of course. Well, he didn't vanish. All right, I'll leave him alone a second. He's got to deal with enough crap out here. He kicked up some dirt.